Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to use the video stabilization feature in CapCut. This feature can help you improve the quality of your video by reducing the camera shake and jitter. So let's get started. Open up the camera. The first step is to import your shaky video into CapCut. Just tap on this plus icon and select the video. Now tap on Add. To apply the video stabilization effect, tap on the video layer in the timeline and then tap on the stabilization icon at the bottom of your screen. Now slide down and here select this option to stabilize. But first let me show you how the video looks like right now. You can see there is some shakiness to the video. So we are going to remove it by using this feature. For now, by default, the slider is all the way to the none. So when I play the video, you can see there is no stabilization yet. But when I use this minimal cropping, you will see the stabilization is applying to the video. Now let's play the video. You see there is much more stabilization in the video. Now let's use the recommended value. Now there's little to none shakiness in the video. You can also use the most option, the most stabilization option. And now let's play the video. You see there is no shakiness in the video. But to have your video some natural instinct, we will use the recommended value. There is much more stabilization in the video. And once you are happy with it, just tap on this tick icon. The CapCut will analyze the video and apply the stabilization to it automatically. And once you have your stabilized video, it's time to export it and share it. You can use the resolution from here. And after selecting it, you can simply tap on the export. Just tap here. And once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to any social media platform, for example Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to use the stabilization feature in CapCut. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.